Navigating your Vizio TV without a remote.
Hello there. We understand losing your Vizio TV remote can be a nuisance, especially if you need to access the menu. Don't worry, though. You are not without options. In this guide, we will go through some simple steps to navigate your Vizio TV menu without a remote.
Is your TV remote really lost?
Firstly, make sure that your remote is really lost and not just misplaced. Check in and around your living room, including the couch cushions, nearby tables, and any other place where the remote might be hiding. Remember, if you find it, that solves the problem immediately.
Use the physical buttons on the TV.
If you can't find your remote, don't worry. Most Vizio TVs come with physical buttons that can also be used to navigate the TV menu. Locate the physical buttons on your TV. They're usually found on the side or bottom of the TV. The Menu button will bring up the TV menu. The Volume Up and Volume Down buttons let you move up and down in the menu. The Channel Up and Channel Down buttons let you move left and right in the menu. Finally, the Input button will select the highlighted option. This method should help you access the menu and make necessary adjustments to your TV settings.
Using a universal remote.
If the physical buttons don't cover all the functions you need, another option is to use a universal remote. Universal remotes are designed to work with a wide range of devices, including Vizio TVs. Purchase a universal remote from a local store or online retailer. Follow the instructions provided with the remote to sync it with your Vizio TV.
Using a smartphone as a remote.
There are smartphone apps available that can function as a TV remote. These can be particularly helpful in a pinch and may offer a more comprehensive range of controls compared to the physical buttons on the TV. Download a TV remote app onto your smartphone. Ensure that the app is compatible with Vizio TVs. Connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Follow the app's instructions to sync it with your Vizio TV. Losing your Vizio TV remote doesn't mean you're out of options. With the physical buttons on your TV, a universal remote, or even your smartphone, you can still navigate your TV menu and control your viewing experience. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you're back to enjoying your TV in no time. Don't forget to secure your remote control in the future.